You are welcome to this tutorial question, and this we are in this tutorial we are looking at question 16, and question 16 says differentiate y equals to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x and with respect to x, and everything here is all divided by x squared plus x. Now, to approach this question, the first thing I'm going to do is to inspect the numerator, which is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x. I can see here that I can be able to factorize this, okay? So which means x is common to each and every one of the powers here, okay? We have x power 3, x power 2, and x power 1. We bring out this x power 1, which is x, and then in doing that, if we divide x cubed by x, it will give us x squared, then plus, if we divide x squared by x, it will give us x, so we have 3x here. If we divide 2x by x, you'll be left with what? With 2. So the next thing we are going to do is to factorize this quadratic expression in the bracket here. And in doing the factorization, I know when we are using factorization method, we have to open two brackets and write the first x here and the next x here. All right, then we multiply x squared times plus 2. That will give us plus 2x squared. What are the factors of 2? We have 2 and 1. Now the middle sign is plus, put it here, and the product sign is plus, which means the two signs must be the same. So here we have plus 2 and plus 1. So in factorizing this, we are going to arrive as x into x plus 2 and x plus 1. Now we'll do the same thing for the denominator. In the denominator, we have x squared plus what? X squared plus x, and of course the power here is 1. All right, so we'll bring out the lesser power if we are factorizing, then use this power to divide this x to divide x squared will give us x, then plus x will divide x to give us what? 1. So for factorize this is what we are going to have. All right, so therefore if we are to write the value for y, okay, our y now, everything at the numerator will become what we have here, which is x into x plus 2 and x plus 1, we close the bracket, all divide by everything at the denominator here. I hope you are saying this. Everything here will be written as x into x plus 1. So you can see the way I use the idea of factorization to simplify the given expression. Now, in what we have here, our x plus 1 will cancel x plus 1. Our x outside here will cancel the x here. So you'll be left with y equals to x plus 2. So we have simplified this given expression and we have reduced it to become y equals to x plus 2. Now we can take the derivative, dy dx, to equals, don't forget that this x has power 1, so power times base, which is 1 times x, will give us 1x, then 1 minus 1, then if you differentiate the constant, it is 0. So if you do this, we have 1 times x power 0. We know x power 0 is 1, so final answer here will become 1, because 1 times 1 is what? 1. So this is the value for the derivative of the given function.